Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal wiki with TiddlyWiki, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a personal wiki with TiddlyWiki, start by visiting the TiddlyWiki website. Download the latest version of TiddlyWiki. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Open the file using a web browser. You will see a blank TiddlyWiki interface. This is your canvas for creating and organizing information. Click on the Save button in the upper right corner. Choose a location on your hard drive to save your TiddlyWiki file. Now, name your wiki file for easy identification. Next, let's create your first tiddler. A tiddler is a single note or piece of information in TiddlyWiki. Click the New Tiddler button to open a new tiddler window. Give your tiddler a title that reflects its content. Add your text or information in the body section. Use the formatting options to enhance your content if desired. To save your tiddler, click the Done button. You can now find your tiddler in the main interface. To link to another tiddler, type the title of the new tiddler within double square brackets. This creates a clickable link. To create that tiddler, click on the link after saving your current one. Repeat this process to build more tiddlers and interlink them. To organize your tiddlers, consider adding tags. Tags can help categorize content for easier navigation. Just add tags in the designated area when creating or editing a tiddler. TiddlyWiki also supports advanced features like templates and macros. Explore these features to customize your wiki further. Remember to save your changes regularly. Use the Save button in the upper right corner often. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.